Good afternoon, everyone. Here is another question. JAMB 2014, question 47 on sequence. I made us understand that this week we'll be going through sequence and series. Now the question says the first row of a hall has 18 seats and each subsequent row has 2 more seats than the previous one. If the last row has 36 seats, how many rows are there and how many seats are in the hall? We have our solution. So the first thing we have to do is to interpret this word problem. The first row, that means our T1, which is our A of a hall, has 18 seats. That means our A is 18. And each subsequent row has 2 more seats than the previous one. So which means that the difference between each seat is 2. Therefore, our common difference D will be given as T. If the last row, and we know that the last term will be L, equals to 36. How many rows are there? And how many seats are in the hall? We are asked to look for 2 things in the question. The first is how many rows, which is our N. How many rows? So we want to find the number of rows. So from here we can say that our last term L equals to A plus, open bracket, N minus 1 into bracket D. And our last term is given as 36. Equals to our A, which is 18, plus our N is what we are looking for. So it is the unknown, and our D is 2. What do we do next? We open this bracket. So we can now say we have 36 equals to, we have our 18 plus 2 times N will give us 2N minus 2 times 1 will give us 2. So what do we do next? This is a constant and this is a constant. So we have 36 equals to 18 minus 2 will give us 16 plus 2n. So we collect like terms by bringing 16 to the other side. So we now have 36 minus 16 equals to 2n. When you subtract 16 from 36, you get 20 equals to 2n. To get our n, remember, divide both sides by the